Everyone has 24 hours. Elon Musk, the top student in your class, the person building something real while you're still planning to start. Same 24 hours, same 7 days, same year. So why are the results so different? It's not talent, it's not luck, it's not even how hard you work. It's 5 specific hours. And what you do inside those 5 hours determines everything. Your focus, your growth, your discipline, your entire trajectory. Most people waste these hours without even realizing it. Today I'm going to show you exactly which hours they are and what winners do differently inside them. Let's get into it. Hour 1. The first hour after waking up. This is the most powerful hour of your day, and most people hand it directly to their phone. Within the first 10 minutes of waking up, the average person has already checked Instagram, replied to messages, and started reacting to everyone else's world before they've even stood up properly. That sets the tone for everything that follows. Winners use this hour completely differently. No phone, no news, no content, movement first, water, a few minutes of silence or intention setting, something that puts them in control of their own mind before the world gets access to it. Own the first hour and you own the entire day. Lose it and you spend the rest of the day trying to catch up to yourself. Hour 2. The deep work hour. Somewhere between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m., your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus and complex thinking, is running at full capacity. This is your deep work window, and it only lasts about 90 minutes at peak performance. Most people fill this window with emails, easy tasks, and low-effort busy work that feels productive but changes nothing. Winners go straight to the hardest, most important task, the one they've been avoiding, the one that actually moves the needle. No music, no multitasking, one task, full focus. Even 60 minutes of real deep work in this window will produce more than 4 scattered hours later in the day. This is the hour that builds careers, passes exams, and creates real results. Protect it like your life depends on it, because your results do. Hour 3. The learning hour. Successful people are obsessive learners, not passive consumers, active learners. There's a difference. Scrolling through educational content is consumption. Reading a book, taking notes, applying a concept, teaching something back to yourself, that's learning. 1 hour every day dedicated purely to learning something that compounds over time. A skill, a subject, a concept that makes you sharper, more valuable, more capable. In 1 year, that's 365 hours of deliberate self-education. That's the difference between someone who stays average and someone who becomes genuinely dangerous at what they do. Most people spend that hour on entertainment. Winners spend it on elevation. Hour 4. The recovery hour. This is the hour nobody talks about, and it's the one that makes everything else possible. Your brain is not a machine. It degrades under continuous pressure. Focus drops. Decision quality collapses. Creativity disappears. Winners build recovery into their day on purpose. A walk outside, a proper meal away from screens, a nap if needed, complete disconnection from work and stimulation for a full hour. This isn't laziness, this is maintenance. And people who skip this hour don't work harder, they just work worse for longer. Recover properly, and the hours that follow are sharp. Skip recovery, and you spend the rest of the day running on empty, pretending to be productive. Hour 5. The reflection hour. The last hour before sleep, the one that decides tomorrow before it starts. Winners use this hour to close the day with intention, review what got done, identify what didn't, set one clear priority for tomorrow, then disconnect completely. No screens, no stimulation, just clarity, closure, and recovery. While everyone else is doom scrolling into midnight, this hour is quietly compounding, building self-awareness, building direction, building the kind of consistency that looks like talent from the outside. The recap: 5 hours. First hour, own your morning. Deep work hour, do the hardest thing. Learning hour, elevate yourself daily. Recovery hour, protect your energy. Reflection hour, close the day with intention. You already have these hours. The only question is what you're doing inside them. Start with one. Pick the hour that hit hardest and do it differently tomorrow. That's where it changes. Subscribe for more every week. See you in the next one.